recording from the garage at home. Alright, so the reason for this video today is to show you and tell you a little bit about the Boltster that I just recently got from Boltster.com. I've added a few bolts so you could see how it works, and then I have some with the bolts and the nut attached together. You can see right here. Some people asked me if it was magnetic. It's not magnetic. It's actually a squishy. I like this thing because for my bigger jobs that I do, like, I don't know, let's say a water pump or something like that, I can easily put the bolts on here like you see here. You can probably organize them a little better, just so you know which one goes where on when you go to put it back together on the water pump. I've also been asked if it can hold nuts too, and I've put some nuts here so you can see. Yes, it can. Don't fall off at all. This is a really good product. I highly recommend it. And another thing is that it is heat resistant, so I am gonna test that out right now. I'm gonna put on my safety glasses. Hold on, let me clean them out a little bit. You can really see. Alright, put on my safety glasses. Safety first. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this torch right here. And I'm gonna show you real quick, just on this angle, and see if you can see that. Make that swing for a bit. Alright, let's see the result. It looks ashy. You can see that right there. It's a little hot, but did not melt or anything. So yeah, now you know it's heat resistant. Alright, another thing that this thing does, it's chemical resistant. Let me spray some brake clean. 1 second. Alright, so I got my brake clean. I'm gonna spray some on this piece. Just let that sit for a bit. See if it gets all squishy or whatever. You know, like start peeling or anything. Like most rubber things. But no, it seems fine. So now you know it's heat resistant and chemical resistant. So definitely a good product. You guys can follow them on Instagram. They go by Boltster. Also check out their website, Boltster.com. They are also on Amazon. I think this little mat runs about $31 if I'm not mistaken. But it's either way, it's a good price. It's very good little mat to have while you're working on those big jobs. Keep you organized, or from losing the bolts and nuts, so you don't have to put them all over the car, you know, on the cowl or anything like that, you know. But yeah, highly recommended. Guys, go check it out. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Thank you.